Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable automatic rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now find Lock Orientation icon. Click on it, and when it's blue, that means the auto rotation is turned off. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same icon, but you can also go into Settings, scroll down, tap on Display over here, scroll down again, and over here click on the switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it off or on. In order to check out if it works, go into any app, like Chrome, and turn your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!